I can hear a kid crying and it's literally annoying. Like, how many times am I going to record this video? I keep on recording, deleting, recording, and it's becoming so annoying. I wish kids could have like a stop button, like beep, beep, stop crying. Ay. Because this kid is emphasizing on crying. Lord, I think we'll finish tomorrow. It's so interesting how I can literally use natural sunlight for my videos. Like, I'm not even using any kind of lighting. Like, this is so amazing. So hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Mutindi Hope, or Miss Ndindi. So yes, I am back after my disappearance. I had to handle some things, school, lots of things, as undergoing school things, but I am back better than ever, hydrating as always. I didn't plan that though. So yes, well, what has been happening? School, nothing much. So I'm planning to get back to this thing seriously. I can literally hear a kid crying at the background and it's sort of annoying. I just wish kids could have like a press button where you just tell them, stop crying, beep, stop crying, beep, cry now, beep. Well, it is what it is. So where was I? Well, I was handling school, but now I'm back better than ever. Yes. So well, now that you guys are here, I think I haven't had my shower yet. That's why I'm still having my PJs. But I just want to do like a Sunday reset. Like, I get questions on how I maintain my braids. Let's start with the fact that my hair is type 4C. I don't want to say 4C is the hardest hair, or is it the most hard hair? Hardest, most hard? Okay, I think hardest. The most thickest. That's the best vocab to use on our hair. So like my hair, I have like a 4C thick natural hair, and I can stay with, the longest I've ever gone with braids is like it was like 3 months, and these braids were like not Fox Locks, can't remember the brand, but I literally stayed with that hair. Like, come to think of it, I'm like, where? I stayed with hair for like braids for 3 months. What was happening? But then it's fine so long as I used to wash them, because you can wash your braids. Like these braids, I tried washing them. It's the first time that someone braided my hair with waxing. I've never waxed my braids. I've never had them waxed before. As I was saying, with this type of braids, you can wash them. It's getting a bit cold. Let me wear my t-shirt. I don't want to catch a flu. Yep. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to like wet my hair. See, like when they use I don't know what's up. This thing just stopped removing water. Why is it disappointing me when I'm recording the video? Why though? Oh my god, what's happening? I love this bottle, so cute. I think I'll add my I have no more water left to drink, but it's fine. Let me try and fix it. Yo. Not now. I mean, I've been using this thing the whole week and now it's not working. I mean, what's up? What's up? What's up? Don't disappoint me now, Lord. So one thing about me, I never give up. So if something disturbs me, I'll fix it. I'm a fixer. I fix things. I fix broken things. I think it's because it doesn't have water. Let me go and add more water, then I'll be back. So I am back. I've already filled my bottle. I know now it's going to work. I've just done magic like I always do. I'm a magician. So now it's working. So what you do, you just spray your hair with bits of water, just like that, just like that. A girl should take care of her braids. I have said a girl should take care of her braids, also her hair. Yep. I don't want to be working with flakes on my head like a mad human being. And I'm a funky ears girl. So after you do that, I massage my hair like this, just like this, just like this. The light has decided to go to Kitui. I'm now using my small ring light. I just love adding water to my head. See now what I told you about waxing. Once your hair touches water, you get flakes, but then it's going to dry and they won't be noticeable anymore. That's how I maintain my braids when I've undergone. Okay, this was the first time doing waxing. I've undergone waxing session, waxing. Braided wax, braided wax. Lord, show me your ways. Please improve my English card because I don't want to speak like a mad person who doesn't understand English. So once I do that, the next thing is to tie my hair. Let me show you, because after today I'm not going to oil my hair because I usually oil it like twice in a week, and I think I've done it thrice. So today I'm not going to oil it because I also have to go and shower. It's getting late. It's around 6 and we have like a cafe, an eatery where we sell French fries, and I have to go and help. So I'll just show you what I do after this. Don't I look cute? Damn. I feel like adding more. Now that it's working, I am so excited. I'll keep on doing this. I can't stop, but I need to stop because I have other things to do. So once I'm done with that, I'll tie my hair. Let me go. I'm coming in a few. So I'm not liking this light. I'm not liking it at all. I'm not liking, but this is what you have to do. Baby, this is what you came for. Ooh, 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 ooh. So after that, I tie my hair in a bun. Just flip it like this. One touch. I have a thread over here, so what I'll do, put it like this until where I want the bun to be. I'll just do that way, just like that. That's how I tie my bun. Nothing much. Just tie like that, and then I use a thread. This thread, it's a weaving. Do they call it weaving thread or sewing thread? Okay. So I just do this. I have strength. Strength of a woman. So I'll just tie my hair like that. Baby, this is what you came for. So after I do that, go back to, I look like a good baby now. Let me just close here because I'm feeling cold. Just came, I'm seated next to the window. The sun was good. The sun was doing me justice, but then it decided to disappear. And now we have to work with what we have. So once I do that, I am going to like spray again. Spray. It's so relaxing because sometimes I feel like I need to like scratch, or should I say scrub? Yes. Then go again, like that. Wait, I love water. So once I do that, I'll just take my bun, and I have an accessory over here. If you've noticed, I'm a very colorful human being. So this one stole from my mom's hair. She has dreadlocks. A girl from Jamaica. Yes. So I just do that. Then you can leave your hair like this, but I prefer putting it like this when I'm going to have my shower. So I'll just do this, just tie it like this, like that. Oh my god, this hair has lots of flakes. Don't like it this way. How am I going to walk like that? I'm a bad bitch. So after that, just place my rubber band. I'm going to like tie something here so that I can remove the flakes, because I need to be moving. Can't stay in the house with flakes. Need to look cute. So guys, that's how I maintain my braids. This is the second month for 2 months, but I'm going to undo this braids because I can't, because I know when I'm distracted I can go for 3 months with braids, and I don't want that. I need to make my hair. So yes, I'm going to have my shower. I'll see you soon. If you really enjoyed this video, please give this video a thumbs up, share, subscribe, hit the notification down bell so that you can be notified every time I upload. And if you have any comment. If you have any question, comment. You can also follow me on my Instagram, Twitter, TikTok at ms_ndindi. Thank you guys. See you on the next video.